todo por ti. Tú no respondes, luna, te perdí por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer. Todas mis culpas y todos mis delitos, no quiero aceptar que todo acabará por otra mujer.
Okay, right now getting into a stagger stance with a deadlift upright row. Gonna come down here into that deadlift and explode to the top with the upright row, but I was supposed to have my feet parallel, so let me do that again. Going down into that stagger stance, upright row. This is a full body movement. My muscles, my nervous system is being challenged at the same time. This movement is great and transferable if you play sports. For that explosive move at the top, switch to the side, and down into that deadlift. Gonna add a jog. Oh, it's a light jog up the hill. And then I'll walk it down. Ooh, my quads, which is the front of my thighs, which are the front of my thighs, are shaking right now. Because this is not my first set. We were doing this prior to filming and decided to get the last set. So right now I'm like exhausted, but wanted to let you guys in on the workout so you can see what we're doing out here. We've been receiving tons of emails and messages asking when are these going to be back in stock. These are back in stock right now. Make sure you grab yours because they are going fast. I like to supplement these when I'm not juicing my turmeric and ginger. These are a great add. I just take in 2, I pop 2, and then I go. Same formula, new look. Visit uphonutriment.com to grab yours.